Here are some recommendations for both personal and firehouse spring cleaning projects. Start cleaning with the firehouse. Open windows and doors to refresh the station, unless pollen is an issue. Clean bunkroom mattresses, day room recliners, and kitchen chairs with disinfectant and steam cleaners. Flip or rotate mattresses if possible. Pressure wash the walls, concrete pads, and windows to remove winter grime. Scrub floors, walls, and supply closets. Detail fire apparatus by degreasing engine bays, cleaning compartments, and removing rust from tools. If a fresh coat of paint is overdue, now's the time. Declutter offices, living spaces, and storage areas. Finally, say goodbye to outdated or unused items. Next, focus on personal belongings. Get rid of old magazines, uniforms, and unnecessary clutter. Wash station bedding regularly, more than just once a year. Clean work bags, turnout gear bags, and SCBA mask bags. Often overlooked, but just as important. Spring is the perfect time to refresh both shared and personal spaces at the station, ideally making it a habit.